The Paris Law Crac Growth Interactive Calculator determines crack propagation rates and cycles in fatigue analysis. Let's explore the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include Calculate Crack Growth Rate, Calculate Cycles for Crack Propagation, Calculate Final Crack Size, Calculate Material Constant C, Calculate Paris Exponent M, or Calculate Stress Intensity Factor Range. For this demonstration, we're using Calculate Crack Growth Rate. Now enter your parameters. Stress Intensity Factor Range dk in megapascals root meter, Material Constant C in meters per cycle per megapascals root meter to the power m, Paris Exponent m, which is dimensionless, Initial Crack Size A0 in millimeters, Final Crack Size AF in millimeters, Number of cycles n, Crack Growth Rate dn in meters per cycle, Applied Stress Range delta sigma in megapascals, Crack Length A in millimeters, and Geometry Factor y, which is dimensionless. For our example, I've entered 10 for all input values. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 1.000 E plus 11 meters per cycle, and the secondary result displays 1.000 E plus 14 millimeters per cycle. These represent the crack growth rate in different unit systems. This tool streamlines fatigue crack growth calculations for structural integrity assessments. Find the link in the description below.